Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a clamp mount. Now, what you're going to need is a clamp and the GoPro wrist mount. Now this is really simple and it's really effective. Okay, you can get, for example, if you had this chair, okay, you could attach it on there and then you get kind of that kind of angle out. Or for example, if I attached it onto this doll's thing, I would get kind of an angle like that. So yeah, it is a really cool idea. You can basically attach your GoPro onto general objects. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your wrist mount and make sure that this strap is loose. Then you are going to tighten this up a little bit so there is still a small gap but not a huge one. Then next bit's really simple. You are going to put that on there, attach it round, and simply put this on there like that, and make sure it's really secure. Now you simply just want to take this and wrap it round as tightly as you can around the clamp. Then you simply take your GoPro and attach it into there, like that. So it is really simple and really effective. That is how you make the clamp mount. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. It takes only 2 clicks. 2 clicks if you have a channel. And so yeah, it's really simple and really great because you can attach it onto almost anything. So yeah, hope to see you in some of my other videos. And well, goodbye.